Again, this is really a tricky one because it's so simple. You need to have the layout right. You just solve the layout line. You don't want to leave a lot of stuff to come back and pair because it's too hard to find out where all that is when things don't fit. Sometimes you leave a little bit on the shoulder and come back and trim it off. This one you want to hit right on.
Do you try to split the layout line when you do this? Or?
This I'm sawing into waist and I want to leave that line on.
You're trying to leave the whole thickness of the line.
Well, when I got a line that thin, I want to leave that line. I'm leaving that line on there.
Gotcha.
That gives me a minimal amount that I can pair. Again, if it's off very much, I can't fix it because the whole angle's wrong. So it's a matter of starting here and sawing down. Again, you can't saw past that corner. It just starts from that corner and goes all the way down on this side. So. You can't oversaw because then you're sawing in the other piece. Alright, so it's a control thing. So that's one cut. You got another cut, you got 4 cuts, you got 8 cuts like that, and things should fit together. Alright, simple as that, right, Jim? Keep all those pieces together and get done. So when you get that saw right, so this piece falls apart. What happens is you come out with this little pyramid in the middle. The first time I made that joint, the piece fell out like that. It was like a flower fell out of the sky. I couldn't imagine where this this pyramid came from, but that's the inside of this shape that comes out of there.
Cool.
So there's one side. Saw the other side, and then hopefully they all stick together there. So got a little bit of clean out work in there. So there's the layout. I'm going to get working on it.
Click it and then, yeah.
There's those pieces. Feels like a success already, and you got the joint together. How much fun can you have doing this? Okay, now let's see what we got here. Solo Bondo would be okay. So I can see that there's a little deflection in here. So I just have to come back and clean up some of the saw marks. I can see where this thing kind of traveled because I was using that crappy saw. But there's the and even that much still sticks together. So it just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So we can do that here and have some more fun here. Judge Miller.